Welcome back to Live from the Camper, House Edition. My name's Tony, and today we're talking about what to do with some of that leftover ham from Easter. So I'm gonna show you a quick, easy, delicious white bean and ham soup. And we're gonna make it right here in our foodie. Well, are you ready? Good, let's get cooking. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and hit that Sear sauté feature and let's get this bad boy warmed up. Second, go get 4 cans of Great Northern white beans and go drain them and rinse them while the foodie's heating up. And yes, you can use dry beans if you want, but I said this was going to be quick and I'm hungry. I don't want to wait, so I'm using canned. Well, all right, the beans are drained and rinsed, and while we're waiting for the foodie to get hotter, go ahead and hit that little red button down there and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to ring the bell, bing, so you know when my new videos come out. Ooh, the foodie's getting nice and hot. Let's get cooking. Boom! Now we can get cooking. Let's drop that bacon in. Release that bacon grease, making everything taste so delicious. All right, let's drop in that onion. And the celery. Bacon and celery and onion, oh my, it smells so good. Let's drop in a little of that chicken broth to deglaze the bottom of the pan. Just a little bit. Yeah, look at that. Drop those carrots in. Drop that ham in. Go ahead and drop your beans in. Give it a good stir. Get all those flavors working. And while you're stirring, go ahead and do your salt, your pepper. We'll wait on the bay leaves. Let's drop in that garlic and the chili powder. Mix it all up. All right, let's go ahead and put the rest of that chicken broth in. You want 4 cups, so 1 box is roughly 4 cups. Let's give it a nice stir. Now drop in those bay leaves. Put on your pressure lid and we're gonna pressure cook for 30 minutes with a 10-minute natural release. Don't forget to put it on seal. Well, we pressure cooked it for 30 minutes. We did a 10-minute natural release. I let the pressure out. Let's take the lid off and see what we got. Let's go ahead and get those bay leaves out. Don't want to eat them, but they make your food taste delicious. Now get a potato masher. Make sure if you're cooking in the foodie that you use one that won't scratch up your foodie. Let's give it a little mash action here. Helps thicken up the soup just a little bit. And don't pulverize it. We just want to thicken up the soup with mashing the beans. That looks good to me. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Now my favorite part. We're gonna plate it up and eat it up. Now I'm gonna throw a little paprika on it, just to give it a little color on top. And you're ready to eat. So was it quick to make? Yep. Was it easy? Most definitely. Now let's see if it's delicious. Oh yeah. I think I like the ham better this way than I did yesterday for Easter. Oh, that is fantastic. Everything's so tender. You get a little smokiness from that bacon. Just the right amount of salt and pepper and garlic. Oh yeah, that's fantastic, guys. And you know what would go good with it? Those Texas cornbread bites. I'll leave a link for that down in the description box. So I got one question for you. Are you hungry? Good, let's eat. So good.